Tired of mundane entrances? Let's unlock the secrets to building an invisible door in Minecraft. First, find a section of wall where you want to hide your secret passage. The key to our illusion is a simple painting. Place down a painting just like you would any decorative block. Now, this is where the magic happens. Behind your painting, you'll need to break 2 blocks deep, creating a passage. Make sure your painting is a 1x2 or 2x2 painting. This is crucial for the mechanism to work and for the painting to cover the entire opening. To create the illusion of solidity, we're going to use water. Place a water source block directly behind the painting, filling that 2-block deep space. The water, when layered behind the painting, will prevent you from directly interacting with the wall block you want to pass through. And just like that, your secret door is complete. Walk into the painting, and you'll pass right through it as if it were an open doorway, revealing your hidden passage. For an alternative, if you want to hide a lever or button, place a sign block on the wall where you intend your painting to be, then place your painting on top of the sign. This allows you to hide the activation mechanism for your secret door. Now, behind the painting, break the block directly behind the sign. You can then place a lever on the side of that block. This lever will be hidden behind the painting. Place your painting back over the lever. Now, when you flip the lever, it will activate a piston or other redstone contraption to open your hidden passage, with the lever itself completely concealed. This method makes for an even more advanced and discreet secret entrance, perfect for protecting your valuable loot or adding an extra layer of mystery to your builds. Experiment with different painting sizes and hiding spots to create your ultimate secret lair.